You know that feeling when something looks rugged on the outside but refined on the inside, like it could climb a mountain and then host a dinner party right after? That's exactly the vibe of the 2025 Roam Rover Camper. This isn't just another adventure vehicle. It's built for those who want to go absolutely anywhere without sacrificing comfort. When I first saw it, I honestly didn't know whether to take it off-road or park it at a luxury resort. Spoiler alert, I did both. The exterior is bold, muscular, and unmistakably inspired by Land Rover DNA. High clearance, all-terrain tires, reinforced panels, and that signature front profile that just screams capability. But step inside, and you're instantly transported into a minimalist sanctuary. Warm wood textures, premium eco-leather seating, ambient lighting, and smart space-saving designs everywhere you look. The Roam Rover runs on a hybrid electric setup with optional solar assist. It's whisper quiet on the road, but don't let that fool you. The torque is real. I took it through mud trails, rocky hills, and steep switchbacks with zero drama. The suspension adapts in real time, and the traction system feels like it's reading your mind. Now let's talk about the camper layout. You've got a convertible bed lounge setup that feels more like a boutique hotel suite than a van. A pop-up roof creates extra headroom, and there's a hidden pull-out kitchen with an induction cooktop, fridge, and full sink. I especially love the built-in workspace, perfect for editing, working remotely, or planning your next stop under the stars. Storage? Everywhere. Inside walls, under seats, even in a slide-out rear drawer system that feels like something pulled from a spy movie. It's all modular and insanely well thought out. But what really makes this camper special is the vibe it creates. You're not just traveling, you're roaming, exploring, waking up on a cliffside and brewing coffee without hearing a sound except the wind and birds. I've had people stop me just to ask if it was custom built. That's how striking it looks and how rare it feels. Of course, it comes with a premium price tag, but this is for people who see their camper not just as transport, but as a mobile base for freedom, creativity, and slow living in style. If you're considering a serious upgrade to your Overland game, or want something that lets you disappear for weeks without giving up comfort, the 2025 Roam Rover Camper might be exactly what you're looking for. Hit that like button if you're into adventure rigs that go beyond the basics, and make sure to subscribe. I've got more real-world reviews and deep dive tours coming soon. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a full living setup or a gear packing breakdown from my trip with the Roam Rover.